Today, Quarter 3, Week 7, our lesson is about circle and its related terms. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to define a circle and the terms related to it, illustrate the circle and identify its parts, and solve simple problems related to parts of a circle. We've learned a lot about geometry so far, but there's one really important shape that we still have to cover, and that shape is circle. Since the invention of the wheel, circles have been very important to all humanity. In fact, you probably see circles everywhere you turn, just like this, and this, and this, this, and this. But mathematically, what is a circle? In geometry, a circle is defined as the set of all points that are at the same distance from a given point on the plane. And the best way to see what that means is to see it in action. Here is a point to start with. And now, let's start drawing points that are equidistant to it. This point is a foot away to the right. Now, let's put the point to the other direction. Let's say below the given point, and the other point, and the other point, and the other, and the other, the other, the other, the other. Whew! I'm getting tired. But do you see what's happening? The more equidistant point we have, the more the pattern looks like a circle. That is why the circle is defined as the set of all points that are equidistant from a single point. But of course, we don't see it as a set of points because there's infinitely many of them. Now that we have defined the circle, we go to the terms related to it. The first term related to circle is the center. A center is a fixed point in the circle. From our example, this is our center. If our center is point A, this circle can be named as circle A. Next term related to circle is radius. A radius is a segment from the center to any point on the circle. In plural form, it's radii. In our example, we have here radius AB, AB, and radius AC, AC. Next term is the chord. Chord is a segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. In our example, we have EG and FH. A chord may or may not pass through the center as long as the endpoints lie on the circle. It is a chord. Next term is the diameter. A diameter is a chord that passes through the center, and it measures twice the radius. From our example, we have here diameter DC. Remember, a diameter always passes through the center, and its measure is twice the radius, meaning segment DA is half of segment DC. So if DC measures 8 centimeters, segment DA measures 4 centimeters. Next is secant. Secant is a line that intersects the circle at exactly 2 points. In our example, secant AB intersects the circle at point A and point B. Next term is tangent line. Tangent line is a coplanar line that intersects a circle at exactly 1 point. In our example, this is a tangent line. It intersects the circle at point D. Next is an arc. An arc is a portion of a circle. It could be semicircle, minor arc, or major arc. Semicircle is an arc that is half a circle. In our example, arc LMO is a semicircle. A minor arc is an arc that is smaller than a semicircle. In our example, arc LM and arc MO is a minor arc. Major arc is an arc that is larger than a semicircle. In our example, MOL and MLO is an example of a major arc. Central angle. Central angle is an angle whose vertex is on the center of the circle, and its sides are radii of the circle. In our example, angle KML is an example of central angle because its vertex is on the center of the circle, and its side, segment KM and segment ML, are radii of the circle. Inscribed angle. It is an angle whose vertex lies on the circle, and its sides are chords of the circle. In our example, angle MON is an example of inscribed angle because its vertex is on the circle, not on the center of the circle. And its side, segment MO and segment NO, are chords of the circle.